QuickScience dives into a kitchen myth by showing soap cleans through emulsification and surfactants, not magic wipes. A simple demo reveals grease and germs surrender when water warmth and agitation join forces behind the bubbles. The video spotlights Pasteur, whose pasteurization revolutionized food safety at home and in the dairy industry. Then a rapid tour explains refrigeration pioneers and how early cold storage transformed meals from spoilage risks into everyday stability. In under a minute, QuickScience makes science approachable, encouraging viewers to test ideas safely and celebrate everyday discoveries.